Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Lecture's YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain the seventh program of Java Practical. Let's see what is the program. To write a program in Java to compare two numbers. So let's move to the notepad and we'll write the program. So inside the notepad, I will write the program space java dot lang dot asterisk semicolon. Next import space java dot util dot asterisk then semicolon. Next I will declare the class compare, then opening curly bracket, enter, closing curly bracket. Inside this compare class I will declare public static void main within parentheses string arguments, then opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Inside the main method, I will define two variables. Suppose int a equal to 10, enter, int b equal to 20. So these are two variables. Now I want to compare it. So to compare it, system dot out dot println within bracket integer dot compare integer dot compare a comma b, then parenthesis close semicolon. So this will check the two variables whether they are matched or which one is greater than and which one is smaller than. So it will display -1 if the first value, if the first variable is small or is smaller than the second variable. It will display -1. If the two variables will be same, the value of two variables will be same, it will show 0. And if the first variable is greater than the second variable, it will return +1. So this is the condition of first case, the first condition, that is first variable is less than second variable. So now I am moving to the next condition. Int x equal to suppose 30 semicolon, int y is equal to 30 semicolon. So again I will compare using this statement. So I'm copying Control C, Control V. So in place of a I'm writing x, in place of b I'm writing y. So similarly I would like to change variable. Suppose int norm1 is equal to 50 semicolon, int norm2 is equal to suppose 30 or suppose 40 semicolon. So similarly I will write this compare method and we'll compare the two variables, that is norm1 and second one is norm2. So this will give the different outputs. Let's see. So I'm saving it, save as, saving it with the name of compare, 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 compare dot java. So it will be saved in the folder Java Lab. Here you can see it will be saved in the folder of Java Lab. So save. Now it is saved. Next move to command prompt cmd. So when I will move to command prompt, here I will change the directory to C because I have saved, installed my Java software inside the C drive. So next cd space Java Lab, enter. So I have already entered into Java Lab folder. Now I will compile the program. Java C space compare.java. So now enter. it is compiled successfully and it is not showing any error. That means my program is correct. So let's execute it and see what will be the output. Java space. So here I am writing, you see, Java, then space, then tab. So when I will press tab, so it will automatically write the file name. So just delete .java or .class, then only keep the file name, that is Java space compare, then enter. Here you see three values are coming. One is -1, second one is 0, and third one is 1. So I have mentioned that compare dot, that means integer dot compare method will return -1 if the first variable is smaller than the second variable. If the two variables will same, then 0. And if the first variable will be greater than the second variable, then it will be +1. So in this way, we can compare the two values. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.